What would you do if an AI took your job overnight? Sounds like a bad sci-fi movie, right? But for millions of people, this isn't fiction, it's reality. And it happened to me. But this isn't a story of failure. It's about finding opportunity where most people panic. Let's rewind. In early 2024, I worked in customer support. I answered emails, managed complaints, handled live chats. It wasn't glamorous, but it paid the bills. Then came the update. The company rolled out an AI chatbot that could do my job 10 times faster with 0 lunch breaks. One Monday morning, I got the email, "Your role has been automated." Just like that, I was replaced by a line of code. No warning. No thank you. Just gone. At first, I was angry. Scared. I thought, how can I compete with a machine? But after the fear faded, something else happened. I got curious. The turning point, instead of fighting AI, I decided to learn it. I watched videos, took free online courses, joined Discord groups. I explored tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Pictory, Notion AI. I realized that while AI took my job, it also opened a new door. I started offering services using AI. I wrote blog posts with Jasper AI. Created marketing videos using Pictory, built Faceless YouTube channels. Even started helping small businesses automate their customer service. With the same kind of bots that replaced me. Crazy, right? The results, in 3 months, I replaced my lost income. In 6 months, I doubled it. And today, I make more than I ever did in my 9 to 5, all thanks to the same tech that fired me. But here's the truth. It wasn't easy. I had to unlearn what I knew. I had to adapt fast. And I had to stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like a creator. The bigger picture, AI, isn't coming for your job. It's already here. But it's not all doom and gloom. AI doesn't just destroy jobs, it creates new ones. It creates content creators, AI consultants, automation experts, prompt engineers, faceless YouTubers, and solopreneurs who work smarter, not harder. And you don't need to be a coder. You just need to be curious. Actionable tips. 1. Learn one AI tool deeply. Start with ChatGPT or Canva Magic Design. 2. Pick a niche. Writing, design, video, voiceovers. AI helps with all of them. 3. Start small. Offer services on Fiverr or Upwork. 4. Build assets. Create a YouTube channel, digital products, or automated systems. 5. Keep learning. AI changes fast, but so can you. So if AI just took your job, it might be the best thing that ever happened to you. Turn fear into fuel. Use the tools. And remember, the future doesn't belong to the robots, it belongs to those who know how to work with them. This is Echo AI, helping you survive and thrive in the age of automation. Drop a comment if you've ever been replaced by tech or if you've used AI to start something new. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it.